Hi Lisa, my name is Jessica. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'm going to go over a few tips on how you can improve your web presence on your own. The first tip I'd like to talk about is content. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized, and this does include the words your images are saved as. Now, to rank above your competitors in the search, you will need to have more content than they do. Also note that you can work in the keywords you'd like to be found for on your homepage here. So, scrolling through your homepage, you have a good start on the number of words that you need, and you have tons of images, which is great. Now, if you were looking to rank, you would pull up one of your top competitors, see what they're doing. Now we're not looking at layout, we're just looking at the word count and the image count, and you would scroll through and get an idea of their content versus yours. So as you can see, there's really not a whole lot on this homepage. It's just laid out different, so it wouldn't be hard to outrank them in that aspect. Now, the next thing I'd like to talk about is citations. Citations are merely business listings in directories. You want to have your business information, name, address, phone number, as it appears in Google, listed in as many relevant directories as possible. A few examples of directories are Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. These are paid directory listings, but there are free directory listings out there as well. And these are relevant to your ranking in the map section of a search. So this is a local search for metal fencing, Bullhead City. Here's the map section. If you wanted your company listed here, you just get that information listed in more directories than these competitors here. And the tool that I use to do that is called whitespark.ca. It identifies all the directories a company is listed in. The last tip I have for you is about backlinks. Backlinks will give your website trust and power from Google, and they are what push your website to the top of the search results in the organic section. So if I scroll down here, this is the beginning of the organic section. This is the top competitor here. Now, to get that spot, you'd have to have more high authority backlinks coming to your website than this company or this website. I say high authority because it needs to come from trusted sources, and trusted, I mean by Google. They need to basically have to network around the web, okay? And that's what backlinking is you're basically networking around the internet. So you want as many websites talking about your website as possible, because what it does is it shows Google you're legitimate and you're trustworthy, and then they give you more power to your site. So the more networked you are, the more power you get, and the more likely you are to be put in front of Google's users. On that note, not all backlinks are created equal, and there is going to be a price difference. So the more trusted or the more powerful a link is, typically the more expensive it is. Okay? I'd like to show you an overview here. So I put your website in this tool that I use, Ahrefs, and it typically shows me estimated data on a site. So it'll tell me how many backlinks are to the site, across how many websites they're coming from, and how many keywords they're being found for. So my tool wasn't able to pull any data on your website, and if you really don't have backlinks or you're not being found for any keywords, basically your website is like a business card for you. It's really only useful when you give the website away, tell people to go visit it, that kind of thing, and they can go look at it. It's, a digital business card. If you would like to get it to work for you, start working on those 3 subjects that I talked about: content, citations, and backlinks. And I'll show you here. That top competitor we talked about, Eagle Masonry, they have 73 backlinks from 16 websites, and they're being found for 52 keywords. Now, as you can see, their traffic isn't, extremely high at 22 visitors a month, but they've got it to start working for them. And so the point is here, the more relevant keywords you're being found for and the high authority backlinks, when you build them up, it will increase your traffic coming to your site and therefore potentially increasing your revenue. So I hope the information was useful. If you have questions, you can reach out. My name is Jessica. My phone number is 623-233-0357. Thank you.